Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is kind of an emergency video because I just saw that Bitcoin is breaching the downtrend, and that is what we were waiting for. Now before we continue, please subscribe and like, and you know the drill, everything to help me to grow the channel, so on so on. But let's see what Bitcoin is doing. It is at the 39,500 and it just jumped after the American stock market or the US stock market opened. And we can say that it is performing too well. I mean, this is not a big jump. It is merely a small correction in the downturn which it took yesterday. Now, why this is happening? Yesterday, Bitcoin went from the 38 to the 36 or 35,000, and that was because Facebook went down 30%. Now, we don't see that too often that, I don't know, crypto is falling 2% and stock 30, but obviously everyone is holding their head what is happening, and it affected Bitcoin's all crypto prices. Why? Because we know that Facebook is implementing or investing or developing the metaverse. They are very invested. They are working on it for 7 years now, and that is a pretty big deal. And they were thinking that, hey, if Facebook is failing and Facebook is going down because of a metaverse, well, yeah, that will not be good for crypto. Now, that wasn't the truth. The truth was that Facebook had a 10 billion minus last year and they just shared it. And they are blaming Apple because with the iOS system you can opt out for Facebook to follow you with the targeted ads. Therefore, they cannot sell their advertisement for their clients because they cannot follow you if you are using an iPhone. Now, they are blaming this on Apple. Apple doesn't care, obviously, and everybody was a bit frightened. Now, Facebook is not going up at all, honestly. It is still at the 233, and if you would measure it from here, well, it's a minus 30%, which would be a dream dip for many people, but we still don't know what will happen in the market in March, right? I talked about this in my yesterday's video. If you didn't check it. I put it here somewhere. What will happen, what we are looking at, because a recession might come. The Fed is tightening. But right now, Bitcoin seems to kick a bit. It is kicking and it is targeting to breach again the 40,000. Now there is one thing which I don't like, and that is the volume. I don't see any big volume coming in. So this might be one of the two options. One, Bitcoin is underpriced or oversold and the price shouldn't be 40,000. It should be somewhere bigger considering the supply and demand. The other one, this is a fake out. Yes, this also could be a fake out. And if this doesn't hold above the downwards trend line, meaning that it doesn't go up a bit and come back, confirms, breaches the 40,000 resistance, we will face, I don't want to say crypto winter, but let's just say we will go lower. We will go lower and probably we will stop somewhere at the 30,000 because that is a very important support. Tesla bought their MicroStrategy has its average Bitcoin price there. Therefore, I don't think that we will go any lower for some time. If the recession isn't coming, I think we will turn from there. But right now, I'm very curious to see what will happen right now with Bitcoin, because for the first time it is breaching the downwards trend line. It just went through this resistance, and it can be pretty important. Now, Ethereum is going up as well. It's at 2,880, and I'm very curious to see which resistance will stop it. Obviously, we have one right here. Right here. So if it can go above this line, then probably we will stop somewhere at the 3,300, 3,400. And right now the price movement seems bullish, seems let's say powerful. Can we say powerful? I don't think we can say powerful, but we can see some momentum there, and I'm very curious to see how this will happen. Elrond is at the 149. It just went up. just a bit, but we are happy for every small movement. It is bettering the 20-day moving average. I hope that it will just breach through and we can see again some very nice prices. If it goes up, I think the 200 will be the next stop. I really want to see Elrond at the 200 again, above the 200s. Now it all depends on Bitcoin. It all depends on Bitcoin, and maybe we will see some pump in February. Maybe this will be the last pump in February before the tapering starts, or the market priced this tapering and everything and the Fed tightening so much that we will just pump, whether the news are good or bad. We don't know. Nevertheless, we have to be very vigilant in these times, because as I explained yesterday, a lot of red flags are flashing on the market. There are a lot of things which are overbought, and this easily can be a last bounce or a dead cat bounce or something like that, and after that we can go down. So be vigilant, don't FOMO in, make sure that you are reading the signs, and if you're comfortable, well, do whatever you want, because I am not a financial advisor. Thank you for watching, hope you like this content. If you did, smash the like button, and I see you on Monday. Take care.